Hey everyone, I just wanted to get into Schoology and show you exactly where you're going to be finding your folders, just as a refresher, since it's always nice when we've been gone a little while to come back and get a quick refresher on where to be. So when you first log in here to your main page, go down to Schoology and go on in. Some of you will know exactly where to go, those of you who had already been in Miss Thomas's class. But for the rest of you, I want you to be able to find my course here. So you're going to click courses at the top and you're going to be looking for Miss Thomas's home room. Now you might need to go over here and click my courses because it might not be right at the top. So then you'll see this long list of possible courses. Yours won't look just like mine, but you would look until you found Miss Thomas. Okay, and so it's section 203E is what you're looking for. And you would click onto that and it's going to take you to our course. So always I put at the very top is our week. There is the welcome folder, which if you haven't been in my class before, I would like you to click into the welcome folder and go through and see all of the how to communicate with me, how to contact me, all the different helpful tools that are in there. Take a peek in the welcome folder, and then always our go-to folder of the week will be at the tippy top. Alrighty, and then in here, it's going to look maybe a little different to you. It's broken up by reading, math, science, and specials. Okay, and then we'll have other things as time goes on. But once you click into your reading for the day, click on in and you're going to see a few things. Always a weekly overview, your I can statements and objectives for the week, and then we're going to have a section for social studies. So in here, we're going to have a social studies assignment, which goes to studies weekly on our tiles. So there'll be instructions in there for you each week. Also, you're going to see two folders here. So for you second graders, this is going to look a little different. And for first graders, it's going to look different for you too, because your old teacher did things a little bit differently. So you will click in, if you're in first grade, you will click into your first grade folder, and here you're going to see your assignments for the week. Okay, so you can click on the day of the week, and then within there, within your weekly folder or your daily folder, you're going to see all of your assignments. And so complete each of the assignments each day to stay right on track for the rest of the week. So same thing, then you can click on back to the folder, go back to first grade, and you can go on to the next day if you needed to catch up on something. Otherwise, head on back to the week and you can go down and do your math for the day. Same thing, you click into math and you're going to see the two folders, first grade math and second grade math. And all of your homework, all of your assignments, all of our videos will be within there. So if you are first grade, go to the team first grade. And if you are second grade, go to second grade squad. And that is where you are going to find everything that you need. And then those things will be different for first grade and second grade, going to be different. But most times our science and specials, we're going to do the same thing for both grades. So in science, you're going to see the one assignment and we'll do it together. I'll show you in here. Same thing, broken up by the day of the week. And then we'll click into it and you'll get your assignment. So your assignment, maybe a journal, maybe a science chat where you can type and comment your answer. And we'll do that all together as a full class, okay? And then same will go for specials. And for specials, it's fun little activities that go along with what the kids here are doing at Seabreeze. So you'll click into specials, okay? And you'll go on in. So for today, you have a STEM activity. And you'll see a video that will pop right up here for you to watch and do a STEM activity today. It's not loading for Miss Thomas, but it will be in here for you, hopefully, when you get in here. Anyways, take time today to go through these folders, get comfortable with the folders, see if you have any questions as you go along, see if there's any, oh, there it finally pops up, a cotton ball launcher you can create today, or just watch and see how they work and make it and create that together. Anyways, I hope you have a beautiful day. Let me know if you have any questions about the folders or if you need help finding anything at all. I am right here through Dojo or email are probably the two quickest ways for me to get right back to you. Have a beautiful day. I'll talk to you soon, all right? Bye-bye.